Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change alarm sound on iPhone and how to set custom alarm sound on iPhone. If you want to see more videos, for example, how to share internet from iPhone, how to set personal hotspot on your iPhone, please click like and subscribe to my channel. Well, are you ready? Let's go! We need to download the free app from the Apple GarageBand. Go to the App Store. Use the search to find the application and download it. Next step, download the song to which you want to change the alarm sound on your iPhone. To do this, we use any application. I will show the Safari browser as an example. We use the search. Find the song and download it. From this indication, you can control the download process. The melody is loaded into the application files. Open the GarageBand. Look for an audio recorder. Click on this icon. Click the plus in the upper right. And set the duration alarm sound to 24-28 seconds. After we click here, Files, and select Browse items from the Files app. Select the downloaded song. Then click on it, hold and drag it to the timeline. Click on it and crop it as you need. Here you can click play and listen. If everything suits, click on this icon and select My Songs. Click on this song and select Share. Select a ringtone, write the name of the alarm sound and click Export. OK. Now, open the alarm clock. Create a new signal. In the sound item, the created alarm sound will appear. That's all. This way you can change the alarm sound on iPhone. If this video was useful for you, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell and put like under the video. If you have any questions, write in the comments. See you in the next video, good luck to everyone and bye!